Hey family, it's Shaz, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways you can market your AI SaaS company because a lot of people go about this wrong and they're making assumptions about the market that are just incorrect. They're focusing on the wrong things, and if you're going to put time, resources, money, energy, and effort into building an AI SaaS product, I want to make sure you're focusing on the right things when marketing that product. All right, now, SaaS is no longer hard to build. What do I mean by that? I am non-technical. I am a beginner when it comes to code, but I'm very easily able to deploy a platform, a coded platform, with a lot of these AI products that are on the market. Replit Agent is a good example, and there's a bunch of other ones that very, very easily allow someone like myself to enter the SaaS market. As long as I have an idea, an insight, and some type of product market fit, I could go to these platforms and get a very, very good demo built out for me literally within a week. All right, I could launch a SaaS product with no experience probably within a month. Now, will it do good? I don't know. And I'm not trying to discredit your effort or discredit your credibility or your coding experience, but guys, it is no longer an advantage to just know how to code. The advantage lies in who can market their SaaS the best and who can acquire users and market share as fast as possible. If you're starting an AI SaaS platform, it is truly a race against time for you to acquire market share before, again, everyone else copies your idea. You could have the best platform, but I guarantee 10 to 20 other people could copy that platform within a month using some of these tools that are out there. So I'm going to go over the 5 best ways to market your AI SaaS platform. Let's get into it. And what I'll be sharing with you is proved by much smarter people and much more accomplished people than myself. Naval Ravikant is one of those people, and he talks about media, which is what I'm going to be covering, as the highest leveraged activity for any type of business, especially it's applicable if you're starting an AI SaaS company. And given that we're going to be talking about leveraging media to grow your AI SaaS company, and these are all proven methods. I've seen all of these work, or I've helped other people accomplish these methods. So these things actually work, especially the last one. The last one is absolutely amazing if you could pull it off. Let's get into the first one. And just further proof that this works, guys, I've taken over 100 sales calls in the space. I've seen these marketed tactics actually be used. And again, I've helped other people do this. I've also spoke with some of the biggest AI automation agency owners in the world. Leah Motley, Giannis Moore, and all of these guys here either run their own AI business and have insights, or a lot of these guys are actually starting their own SaaS platforms as well. So I have a lot of insights as to what is working and how to market your AI SaaS company. Now, let's get into the first one. Now, the number one method is personal brand. All right, now the reason this works so well is because the shift in the market is that people and consumers are buying from other people rather than brands. An experiment for you would be this. Change your company's logo on Instagram, on LinkedIn, wherever, to your face and start posting content about you and your SaaS company, and watch your user growth explode, your sales, your traction, everything go up. Because again, when you attach your face to something, it's more personal and people are buying from people rather than companies, corporations, and stuff like that. It's just the trend in the market, and you have to adapt to what people want to see and who people want to buy from. A really good example, if you go to Instantly.ai and some other major SaaS companies, they have amazing YouTube channels, and that's the reason that they're doing so well, is because they have a face behind the company that is making content for them. All right? Building a brand around your SaaS will allow users to build trust with you, and then you could choose your own platform. So if you just build a following, you could always pivot and always market your own SaaS platform. And again, these are all proven. I have done this for someone before. Ibrahim here. He was starting an agency. I worked with him to grow him a following. That video will pop up right here. You can see the strategies he used. He went from 0 to 10K in 44 days with his agency. Now he's taking a step back and he's pivoting into his own AI SaaS. But he is in such a great position because he has a following. So now he could use that following on YouTube to market his AI SaaS. He's already ahead of 95% of other people that are starting from ground zero with no following and no traction, nothing. All right, so build a personal brand and you could always pivot. As you can see, he did over 10K. He's pivoting, and it's a very easy transition because he has a following. People already trust him because he puts out amazing content. People understand that he is knowledgeable and knows what he's talking about. And then once he posts, he already has users. Again, he already has a user base because he could just start posting about his platform, direct the call to action to his platform, and he will get users. All right, another example is Leah Motley. I have the pleasure of meeting him. I'm going to meet him again soon, and he is doing the same thing. He has a massive personal brand, and he is funneling those people to his AI SaaS platform, Agentive, which is an amazing, amazing platform. If you have an AI agency, definitely go check that out. He's building a following, building trust, and then acquiring SaaS users and feedback on a product. A lot of people sleep on feedback. He has 250 now, I believe, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. He will get feedback to make his product better. When he makes his product and his SaaS better, he will get more users, higher LTV from those users, etc. Building a personal brand and then marketing your SaaS through that personal brand is one of the best strategies. If you need help in doing so, we have worked with over 12 AI companies, help them build up their own social. Two guys would be influencer marketing. If you don't want to build your own personal brand, you could pay someone or partner up with someone that already has that personal brand that will push your AI SaaS product. Now, in the last 28 days, these are the analytics for my channel. I've reached over 8,000 people and over 113,000 impressions, meaning people seeing my face, seeing my channel. Could you imagine someone like Liam Motley, for example, that has a bigger following? He's reaching millions of people a month. So if you partner up with someone, they could definitely help you market your AI SaaS, all right? I'm able to command a lot of attention every month from one social media channel. I'm not even including my Twitter, my LinkedIn, my Instagram, and other places that I'm on. Now, I've actually done influencer marketing for other SaaS companies, and here are some of the results that I've been able to achieve. It's pretty crazy, all right? So first, I partnered up with this company. One of those videos will be up here. This reached 2,800 people and drove multiple signups for that platform. On the right here, I partnered up with ChatDash, an amazing platform. I reached over 6,000 people with this video and drove over 400 people to that software, all right? That is the power of partnering up with someone like myself or another company or another influencer, I should say, that has a following and that relates to your product. You strike some type of deal, whether it's affiliate, whether it's paying, whatever it is, and you promote your AI SaaS through that person's following, aka influencer marketing. These videos gain targeted viewers every single day. Like these videos grow in user and views every single day. So it's basically like a one-time marketing material that grows forever. They drive signups while you sleep, literally, and it's the ultimate leverage. So if you're not posting content, you might as well partner up with someone else that's posting content to market your AI SaaS. That is method number 2. Let's go to number 3, which is also equally effective. Number 3, guys, is content marketing, which is different from personal branding. Now, if you have a social media team or you hire a social media agency and they actively are on all social medias, they're engaging with users, they're sending out tweets, they're sending out DMs, they're doing all of this stuff, you will build trust with an audience. And when people trust you, they will go with your platform, with your AI SaaS 9 times out of 10. All right. It's very hard to accomplish this, but I have a little bit of a diagram that you could easily roll this out, especially if you don't already have a team in place. You could leverage AI and automation to do this stuff yourself. I know you're in the AI space, so this stuff will be very powerful for you. Now, you could steal this content marketing strategy to gain users for your SaaS. This is sort of the overview of how it looks. Again, if you want me to break this down for your company, hop on a free call with me. I can show you exactly how to do this. But the gist is, first, you pick your pillar platform. Highly recommend, if you're in the AI SaaS space, to start on YouTube. But pick whatever platform you're sticking with and stick with that pillar platform. That platform should drive all your revenue. And your goal should be to take all of your traffic, send it to that one platform. And essentially that platform is your conversion mechanisms into new users. All right, step number 2, establish that platform. Post on it. Hire someone to post on it. Just be consistent and make that your pillar platform. It's very important you do this before number 3 step, which is use AI and automation and a team to repurpose to other platforms. So for example, in this diagram here, this is what we sort of help our clients do. We get them on YouTube, which is the center. This is the pillar platform. And then we repurpose to LinkedIn, Twitter, and all these other places to grow that omnipresence channel brand. We leverage a team, AI, and automation to do that. But that only happens after you establish your pillar platform, all right? So then you're going to repurpose, you're going to get more eyeballs, and you're just going to be consistent. Just be consistent with this. This doesn't happen overnight, but nor can you expect it to. If you guys do this for the next 3 months, which is to the end of the year, you will acquire users for your SaaS product. I guarantee it, unless your product is just absolute garbage. I guarantee if you're consistent with your pillar platform and then using some of these systems that I talk about in my other videos to repurpose to other platforms, you will gain users for your AI SaaS product. Just be consistent. Now we're going to go over method 4. Make sure to stay for method 5. It's probably the best advice I could give you. But method number 4 is having your AI SaaS platform organically shared. This will retire you. I mean, this will get you in such a good position for your platform if you could achieve it. It's probably the hardest thing to pull off, though. All right, now best way your AI SaaS will grow if it's so good, so awesome, so mind-blowing, especially with AI because it's AI SaaS, that people just organically share it. This means that you don't have to pay anyone, like pay me or pay another influencer or pay a brand. You have to run ads. No brand deals are necessary. And there's exponential growth because you could go viral. This means making a piece of content or someone else makes a piece of content, which is even better, that just goes viral, right? There's a bunch of softwares that this happened with. And just think about exponential growth, meaning some random person sees it and they share it with 5 people because it's just that cool. This is when your platform gets organically shared and thus exponentially grows in user base, market share, and then just mental market share as well. Because if people ever need an AI SaaS platform in a specific niche that you're selling, they're always going to think of yours. All right. This is very hard to achieve because there's so many AI SaaS platforms out there, but this should encourage you to start putting your reps in content, whether you're posting it, whether you're telling your family and your friends to post it. The more stuff you put out there, the higher the chance that you could achieve this organically shared state where again, you will just take off because it's organically being shared through thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of people, depending on how hard it sort of takes off. All right, you can accelerate this with brand deals, paid ads, etc. All right, so that is a caveat. Like you could pay to make this go. You don't have to, but obviously, the more you pay, sort of pay to play, the more it will most likely take off. But that is number 4: is having your AI SaaS platform organically shared. This is ideal, but very hard to pull off. Now, number 5 is the best advice I could give you. Let's get into that. Again, number 5 is very important, but I wanted to share that if you're having trouble with your AI SaaS and the growth of it, again, I've helped dozens of people in the AI space. Ibrahim went from 0 to 10K. Ali and Mert are booking in sales calls for the AI agency through the first few videos we posted. Nick is in the AI space. We have almost 20 to 30x his subscriber count in his personal brand. Nico is not in the AI space, but he's crushing it. Sergio is in the AI space. He's booking in deals for his agency as well. And again, there's a free call down below. Now, no matter the strategy, this is number 5, start today. All right, I don't care if you're doing personal brand, influencer marketing, content marketing, organically shared. The best possible thing you could do, this is number 5, is to start today. Just film a video. Film it even against your monitor. Film it selfie mode. Just put a piece of content out about your platform today, especially on YouTube. I highly recommend it, guys. You never know who is watching. I've had people from 100 views on my YouTube video book in a call with me that were worth 6 to 7 figures. Like I've had 6 to 7 figure business owners booking calls with me through YouTube videos that to the naked eye didn't do well. All right, so again, start posting content, take action right now, and you never know what could happen. If you want a free 72-page document about how to use this stuff I talked about, you can claim it down below, or there's a free strategy call as well. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, and we could go from there. Have a great day.